So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is minimum size subarray sum, in which we are given a array and we are given a integer target and we need to find the smallest length of the subarray whose sum is equals or greater than the target. Okay, so greater than equals to target, we need to find the length of that subarray and that length should be minimum. So this is a clear-cut standard type of problem of a sliding window uh, question. So let's see how we can approach it. Now in sliding window question, what we have two pointers. We can say it as left or right or I or J, anything we like. Okay, let's understand from the code itself. Now we will have a minimum, which we need minimum. Initialize, of course, with a very big value. And then we will enter and then we will have a loop. Okay, so we have two pointers, right and left, which are both initialized to 0. And then we have a sum variable, which is also initialized to 0. Now what we will do, we will keep on calculating the sum and incrementing our right pointer until and unless the sum is less than the target. Once the sum reaches the greater than the target, then we know that this can be a particular answer. So what we will do, we will store it, or we will update the mini variable if it can be updated, if the answer is the smallest one up till now. And then we will start decrementing it from the left. From the left side, sum minus equals to nums of L. So that when we decrement it from the left, and then by incrementing the left pointer. Okay, so sum will be decrementing and left pointer will be incremented in order to find the minimum possible length of that subarray. Okay, so this is a very straightforward approach. In the last as well, we need to make sure that if there are any number of uh, even when the r reaches n, we need to make sure that if there are any number of left pointers or left pointing variables, which can be variables, not left pointing values, which can be subtracted from the sum, so we can also do that. Finally, we will update the array, we will update the minimum element, and then we can return our answer. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked the video, you liked the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.